How did Stevin contribute to military science? Have you ever wondered how mathematics and engineering shaped military strategies in history? Simon Stevin, a brilliant mathematician and military engineer from the Benelux region, played a key role in this transformation during the late 16th and early 17th centuries. His work was closely tied to the military campaigns led by Prince Maurice of Orange, who fought for Dutch independence from Spanish rule. One of Stevin's major contributions was in military engineering and fortifications. He applied mathematical precision to design fortifications and military camps. His treatise, titled Die Sterktenbouwing, laid out techniques that influenced future military engineers. He developed standard designs for camps and fortifications, which enhanced both defensive and offensive capabilities of the army. Stevin also innovated water management as a military strategy. He cleverly used controlled flooding to defend territories and slow down enemy advances. By opening sluices in dikes, he could flood low-lying areas, creating natural barriers against invading forces. This tactic was particularly effective in the Low Countries, where the landscape was filled with tidal rivers and dikes. He identified key locations for these water maneuvers, especially near towns with tributaries close to their walls. Another significant contribution was the introduction of the decimal system in military organization. Stevin recommended dividing troops into units based on tens. This simplification improved command and control, making troop deployment and battlefield maneuvers more efficient. As quartermaster-general of the States General Army, Stevin was responsible for logistics, camp layouts, and siege operations. He devised detailed plans for siege attacks and directed military engineering projects during campaigns. His work included producing regulations for engineers and standardizing measurements used in fortifications. Stevin authored practical manuals that described military camp layouts, necessary equipment for campaigns, and housing methods for soldiers and their families. His writings provided clear instructions for military engineering and logistics, leading to a more organized and disciplined army. In addition, at the request of Prince Maurice, Stevin helped establish an engineering school at the University of Leiden. This school taught courses in Dutch and trained engineers who would go on to develop military and civil engineering in the region. Stevin's contributions were vital to the military history of the Benelux region, especially during the Dutch Republic's struggle for independence. His expertise in mathematics, engineering, and water management was directly applied to the defense and expansion of Dutch territories. The use of flooding as a defensive tactic showcased how local environmental knowledge was integrated with military science. Overall, Simon Stevin's work modernized military science by combining mathematical principles with practical engineering solutions tailored to the unique conditions of the Benelux region. His influence extended beyond his time, impacting military engineering across Europe for centuries to come.